In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a page as your homepage in Wix. This process is straightforward and can be completed by following a few simple steps. So, if you're ready to customize your website and make it more user-friendly, let's dive right in. First things first, we begin by heading over to the Wix website editor. If you're not familiar with this platform, it's a user-friendly website building tool that provides all kinds of customizable options for your site. To access the editor, simply log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the familiar interface where all the magic happens. Next, we need to navigate to the section labeled Pages and Menu. This is where you'll see a list of all the pages currently available on your website. It's akin to taking a bird's eye view of the entire layout of your site. This feature is crucial as it lets us manage which pages are visible, and more importantly, which one we want to use as our homepage. Currently, if you take a look at the way things are set up, you might notice that the Book Online page is set as your homepage. This page might be the first thing your visitors see when they land on your site. However, if you're interested in making a change, there's no need to worry. You can easily select a different page. Let's move ahead and change our homepage to the Home menu. To do this, hover over the Home page on the Pages and Menu list. You'll notice a small gear icon that says Settings when hovered over. This is your next destination. Clicking on Settings opens up a set of options specific to the page you've selected. Once you're in the settings for the Home menu, there will be an option labeled Set as Homepage. When you click this option, you are effectively telling Wix to make this page the first thing users encounter when they arrive at your site. And just like that, you've redefined the browsing experience for your visitors. In just these few steps, we've successfully navigated the Wix editor and customized the homepage of your site. This not only enhances the user's journey, but also reflects the personal touch of your brand. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime if you wish to make further tweaks or updates. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it both informative and easy to digest. Make sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to elevate your website building skills. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. See you next time.